like dancing. Yes, I do, 'cause you gotta make the best of life while you're young. Good people, weekend, just what you wanna do. Weekend, when those working days are through. Weekend.
Good afternoon, welcome to Easy Custom 4x4. Here we have a killer 1983 Jeep Scrambler CJ8. Painted a nice plum crazy purple. This thing is a straight 6 motor, 4-speed manual transmission. It's got new tires, which are BFG Mud Terrains, 35-inch. New wheels. Got new seats, new soft top. All new interior, new center console, stereo. Motor runs perfect. Goes down the road nice and straight. This one's equipped with 2 back seats, one that faces forward and one that faces the other way. Anyway guys, if you are in the market for a classic CJ such as a Scrambler, CJ7, CJ6, CJ5, we do Commandos, Wrangler YJs, TJs, M38s, M38A1. We do them all. Just give us a call at 844-EZJEEPS or visit our website at EZCustom4x4.com. Thank you and have a great day. That noise you hear is the plastic behind me on the seats. Let's get this thing up to 60 miles an hour if we can. It's only on a 45 zone. Have a great day, everybody. EZCustom4x4.com.